So good day everyone and good day Sir Ryan. I am Justin James Aron from BSIT21 and I will be presenting to you our free elective midterm coding exam. So we have here problem number 1, student quiz performance evaluation. Problem description, you are tasked to create a simple student quiz analyzer and write a Java program using OP where create a class student that contains a field string name and an integer quiz scores that stores 3 quiz scores. The class must have a constructor that initializes the name and the array of the quiz scores and the method compute average and a method display info that returns the average of the quiz scores and prints the student name, all quiz scores, and the computed average. In the main class, ask student to put in the name of the three quiz scores and one student object and call display info to show all data. This program evaluates a student's quiz performance using OP and plain arrays. So we have here our coding for problem number 1. So import java.util scanner plus student quiz public string name public int quiz scores and the constructor contains public student quiz string name and int quiz scores. This name this dot name equals the name this dot quiz scores equals this quiz scores. For the compute average, public double compute average in sum equals 0 for in score quiz scores. Sum plus equals the score and return sum is divided by 3. Dahil meron tayong tatlong quiz scores na input mamaya at lahat yun ay i-divide natin by 3. So display student info, public void display info, system.out.println, and system.out.println, student quiz information. Yan yung magiging header ng coding natin mamaya. And yung name, dyan natin ilalagay or input yung name ng student mamaya. So that the student system.out.print, yun yung quiz scores, dyan tayo mag-input ang tatlong quiz scores mamaya. For I equals 0, I is the quiz scores that length, I will return itself, and system.out.print, quiz scores index. If I is less than 2 quiz scores that length minus 1, system.out.print, and system.out.print f average modulo 0.2 f modulo n compute average. So dito sa average, dito natin kukunin yung average ng magiging quiz scores, tatlong quiz scores natin mamaya. So sa public class main, public static void main string args. Ito. Scanner as new scanner system.out.print, enter student name, dyan natin i-input pa ng student mamaya, string name as index line, new int 3, kasi tatlong beses na mag-input ng quiz scores. Then, meron tayo system.out.print, enter score for quiz, I plus 1 and between 0 to 100. Dahil yung mga quiz scores natin mamaya, mag-range lamang between 0 to 100. If lumagpas ko ng 0 to 100, kunyari, less than 0 or more than 100, ang maglalabas din sa print is please enter a number between 0 to 100 dahil ang range natin is 0 to 100. So, kunwari maglalagay naman tayo ng code na, mag-enter tayo ng isang hindi naman numerical number. Kunyari, alphabetical. Ang lalabas dyan is invalid, please enter numbers only. So, yun. Create student object and display info. So, try natin i-run yung code natin for problem number 1. So, let's face sa ating terminal. So, yan. So, wait lang natin yung ating terminal na mag-load para makita natin yung code ng result ng code natin para sa problem number 1. So, yan. Enter student name, pangalan ko na lang, Justin. Enter the quiz number 1 score, which is 95. Quiz number 2 is 90, and quiz number 3 is 85. So, nakita natin ang resulta is student quiz information, yung nagiging header natin. Name, Justin. Quiz scores, 95, 90, 85, at ako yung average within 90. So, tama naging code natin for problem number 1. So, next tayo sa problem number 2, which is product weekly sales summary, product description. You are tasked to design a simple product sales tracker. Your task is to create a Java program using OP where create a class product that contains field string, product name, and double sales that stores for weekly sales values. This class must include a constructor, total sales, and display info, and input the product name for weekly sales, create one product object, and display a summary. This program summarizes the monthly performance of a product using plain arrays. So let's begin sa problem number 2 natin. So rather coding number 2, import java.util scanner class product, public string, product name, public double, sales, 4 weeks of sales. Constructor public product, string product name, doubles and sales, this is the product name, this sales, and for it, I go 0, I just do before, and I return itself, this sales index and sales index. Compute total sales, public double total sales, double the sum equals 0 for double S sales, and return sum. So this like display info. So display info naman natin, ang lalabas dyan, system.auto-print-in and system.auto-print-in double times. Product weekly sales summary, yan yung magiging header natin. Yung product name, dyan tayo mag-enter ng product name natin mamaya. At yung weekly sales, dyan tayo mag-enter ng mga values natin para sa weekly sales. Sa apat na weekly sales yung bale. So sa pang system.auto-print, total monthly sales. So dyan natin kukunin yung magiging average ng ating apat na weekly sales natin na input mamaya. Public class main, enter the product name, input weekly sales, input the product name, enter sales per week, I plus 1. At pag hindi naglagay ng sales, kunyari negative siya, sales cannot be negative, try again. At pag naglagay tayo ng invalid number, ang lalagay dyan, ang lalabas dyan is invalid, please enter a valid number. So yan, create product object and display summary. So let's run the coding number 2. So yan, enter the product name, mineral water. Says for week number 1, 500. Says for week number 2, 600. Says for week number 3, 900. Says for week number 4, 300. Says for, yan. So yan, product weekly sales summary, yung header natin. Product name, mineral water, weekly sales, 500, 600, 900, and 300. Pag inadaad natin lahat yun, magiging makuha natin yung total monthly sales which is 2,300. So tama naging code natin for problem number 2. So on to the next naman tayo sa problem number 3. Ayan. So sa problem number 3, ito naman yung ating event time analyzer. Problem description, design a Java OP program that evaluates an artist's performance in multiple events. Create a class athlete containing field string name and a double array that stores 5 event times and has a constructor, a display time, and a meta display time and meta display info, and the main class input the name of the athlete and one athlete object and display of data. Performance is determining the fastest time. Here. So ito yung code natin para sa problem number 3, coding number 3. Import java.util scanner class athlete string athlete name double times new double 5 public athlete string name double times athlete name times public double best time double best for in I0 I less than 5 I will return it itself. So yeah, sa public display info na agad tayo. So system.auto-print and multiple print stop. So ayan magiging header natin ang event time analyzer. Athlete name, dyan tayo mag-input ang pala ng athlete at yung all event times, dyan tayo mag-input ng times ng athlete natin mamaya. 5 beses itong gagawin. So event time, I plus 1 times best time equals event time and best time. Ang public class main ay naman yung enter athlete name. Diyan tayo mag-enter ng name ng athlete mamaya. Enter event time. So yan, tatry na natin siya. Mag-iran na agad. So yan, lumabas yung name ng athlete natin. Lagay natin yung pinakamabis sa athlete sa buong mundo, which is Usain Bolt. Lagay natin first time, 60. Next time niya, 30. Next time, 40. Next time, 20. At next time niya, 50. And makukuha natin is, ang best time na nakuha niya is 40 seconds. So, ay naging code natin for coding problem number 3. So, on to the next, problem number 4. And so book review rating collector. Create a class book with field, string name, and integer array containing 4 user ratings between 1 to 5 stars. The constructor, a method average rating, and a method display info, and main input a book file and 4 ratings to create one book object and display the summary. It helps to determine the overall reception of the book. So yeah, coding number 4 natin, import java.util.scanner class book, public string title, public int ratings, public book string title, int ratings, this title, this ratings new in for system array copy, ratings. So public double average rating in sum equals 0 for in our ratings and return sum divided by 4 kasi mag-input tayo ng 4 ratings and divide natin yun by 4 para makuha natin yung average natin. So meron yung tayo multiple display, multiple system that auto print sa public display info, public point display info. So sa book information yun yung magiging header natin. Yung book title, mag-enter tayo ng book title na mamaya. And yung book ratings, dyan tayo mag-enter ng 4 na book ratings natin. And pag nakuha natin yung 4 na ratings na yun, i-divide yun ng code and average rating at doon na makuha nyo. Doon natin makuha yung average rating ng book. So sa public class main, ito naman yung, ayan, mag-enter ulit tayo ng book title. And pag hindi na naglagay ng book title, ang nalabas dyan is invalid. Please put a book title to be valid. So, kunyari, mag-enter naman tayo ng hit pa sa 5 stars or less than the 5 sa 1 to 5 stars. Kunyari 0 or 6. Enter for ratings with 5 stars. Pag hindi na naglagay ng ganun, ang sasabihin niya is ratings must between 1 to 5 stars. At kung hindi tayo maglalagay ng valid number, ang nalabas dyan is invalid. Enter number between 1 to 5 stars. So, ayan, run na natin yung coding number 4 natin para sa topic number 4. So, let's enter a book title. Lagay natin book about life. And makakuha natin yung ratings niya, which is rating number 1, 5, rating number 2, 4, rating number 3, 5 ulit, and rating number 4, 3. So, pag enter natin, ang labas niyan is book information, ang header natin, book title, book about life. Book rating is 5, 4, 5, 3, and then nakuha natin average rating is 4.25. So, tama naging code natin para sa problem number 4. So, on to the next last given problem natin, which is yung problem number 5. Store monthly income report. Problem description, create a cluster with field string, store name, a double array, storing 6 months of income, a constructor, a method, total income, and the method display info, and input the store name, 6 income values, create one store object, and display the generated report. It summarizes the financial performance over half a year. So, for the problem number 5, import the java.util scanner class store public string store name public double income public store string store name double income this store name this income new double 6 system array that income public double total income double the sum 0 and diretso na agad tayo sa public void display info. Meron tayong multiple system that other print in store information magiging header natin. Ang store name magiging dyan natin enter magiging store name natin mamaya at the months of income which is yung 6 na beses yan. Pag nag-income tayo ng month's income, 6 na beses, kukunin natin yung magiging average niya. So, ito yung, yun, monthly income, kukunin niya yung average. So, yan. Sa public class main naman, ito naman yung enter a store name. Pag dito naglagay ng pangalan ng store, ang kinalabasan niya is invalid, I do not accept ng store name. At mag-enter tayo ulit ng enter as income for 6 months. 6 na beses natin ulitin yung code yan. At pag hindi tayo naglagay ng valid number, ang kinalabasan niya is invalid, please try again. So, let's try to run the code. So, yun, lumabas na natin enter store name, lagay natin Dali, ako natin income for month 1, 1,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000. And may isa pa tayo, 60,000 rather, and 5,000. So, store information, store name Dali, months income niya, nakuha niya 1,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 60,000, and 5,000. So, nakuha niya monthly income is 78,000 dahil pinag-add lang naman niya lahat. Yun. So, tama naging code Dali for coding number 5, problem number 5. And that's all for my video. Thank you, Sir Ryan, and this is my free elective midterm coding exam. Once again, I'm Justin James Aragon from BSIT 21. Have a good day.